We're out here on the Donner Trails Ranch today and just having a wonderful time. We're up here in this beautiful alpine setting. The ranch runs clear down to the town of Verdi, and the majority of the property is in California, but it also has a beautiful home sites that's connected to it that are in Nevada. I want to thank you today. My name's Scott Ulch, and I'm with California Outdoor Properties, and happy trails to you.
An extraordinary mountain retreat located in Verdi, just 10 minutes from the biggest little city, Reno, Nevada. Encompassing 1,291 acres, Donner Trails features an unparalleled combination of stunning scenery, diverse landscape, abundant wildlife, and remarkable privacy. Build your dream home in a prestigious area of Verdi, Nevada on a half-acre lot. Walk out your back door and enjoy over 1,200 acres of California's Sierra Nevada mountains, encompassing acres of lush meadows that climb into the pine-studded mountains interspersed with aspens and a seasonal creek. This property is a dimensional gem. It is rare to find a beautiful mountain sanctuary that is so close to Truckee and Reno, yet it's also private and secluded. This is truly a best of both worlds location. The property is one of the last remaining large undeveloped pieces. There are multiple gated access points with nice interior roads and trails that provide access to a variety of potential home sites. With no structures, the ranch is a blank canvas for the next owner. In addition to enjoyment as an exclusive recreational retreat, Donner Trails has all the attractive characteristics that you would want in a piece of land. Incredible and vast views await you at the Donner Trails property. The potential is only limited by your dreams and imagination.